Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Kids, let's learn colors name. Green, pink, sky blue, black, light green, violet, brown, red, blue, orange and purple color. Violet color A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, brown color A, B, C, D, green color E, F, G, H, purple color E, F, G, H, pink color E, F, G, H. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.